Welcome to this new video in our series on business transformation with advanced technologies. Today we will talk about digital modeling of key departments in your company: finance, marketing, operations, and logistics. With the help of digital twins and advanced analytics, it is possible to create a virtual model of each of these departments to optimize efficiency, anticipate problems, and make informed decisions. I will show you how the integration of these models improves the visibility of the entire enterprise, achieving a more efficient and effective operation in real time. Let's start with the area of finance. Digital modeling makes it possible to simulate complex financial scenarios and anticipate liquidity issues, investment opportunities, or adjust budgets more accurately. With the help of artificial intelligence and predictive models, CFOs can forecast market fluctuations, manage risks, and make financial decisions backed by real-time data. By creating a digital twin of your finance department, you can simulate different budgeting strategies, optimize cash flow, and ensure that resources are aligned with the company's strategic goals. Marketing also benefits greatly from digital modeling. With advanced analytics and artificial intelligence, you can simulate marketing campaigns, predict consumer behavior, and optimize your advertising efforts. Digital twins allow marketing departments to test different messages, audiences, and channels before launching large-scale campaigns. This allows you to not only reduce costs, but also improve campaign effectiveness and personalize the customer experience in real time. The ability to adjust campaigns based on data ensures that your message reaches the right audience at the right time. In operations, digital modeling can improve operational efficiency and anticipate problems before they occur. Digital twins create a virtual replica of the entire operation, allowing managers to visualize how different decisions will impact the supply chain, production, or delivery times. With this tool, you can run simulations to adjust production according to demand, optimize the use of resources, and minimize downtime. The combination of AI and digital twins in operations not only improves efficiency, but also helps to better manage risks and costs. In logistics, digital twins are transforming the way supply chains are managed. By modeling every step of logistics, from warehousing to distribution, managers can anticipate bottlenecks, adjust delivery routes in real time, and improve transport efficiency. These types of simulations help optimize inventory, improve supply chain visibility, and reduce operational costs. For example, a distribution company can use a digital twin to forecast the impact of a storm on its delivery routes and adjust the logistics plan in advance. Leading companies such as Amazon and Procter & Gamble are already using digital twins to model their finance, marketing, logistics, and operations. At Amazon, digital twins allow it to adjust the global supply chain based on customer demand. Procter & Gamble, on the other hand, optimizes its marketing campaigns and product production based on real-time simulations. These examples demonstrate how digital modeling helps improve decision-making, increase efficiency, and generate positive impact across the enterprise. Modeling all departments through digital twins is a powerful strategy to optimize the management of finance, marketing, operations, and logistics. If you are interested in learning how these technology solutions can improve the efficiency of your business, contact me on LinkedIn. I'm here to help you implement this technology and transform your business. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on digital transformation and advanced technologies.